Hello, so dito kami ngayon sa Ati Village, dito sa Boracay. So, kakantahan raw po kami ng mga batang ati.
Ang pinakamanami na. Kaya gusto nang daw din sa Boracay, kaya namion ang kanta. Tila wala itay.
Maganda raw ang kanta dito.
Visitors, ano nga pangalan niya?
Ernie po.
Ernie at saka Ten.
Welcome, Kuya Ernie.
Ate.
Family lang.
Apo.
Sige, Ernie. Welcome to the community. We're glad that you are here with us. Welcome to the community. We're glad that you are here. Dahil nasa Boracay, dahil nasa Boracay. Welcome to the island, the only sun goes. Never fun and adventure, never alone. Oh, your worries leave them behind. Here in Boracay,
Abang mo yan.
kaya that's me.
May choreography talaga.
Sabay-sabay Boracay, the happiest island in the world. Richer as this, say Boracay, the happiest island in the world. Tapi kopi bukai, kaya minarawitan, kaya minimabukay nilotong, kaya minabatian,
Yung salita siguro nila.
Walang kiyang
Sumali pa na ba? Uy, mabul pa.
Maligos pa mula, ito man di ako. Maligos pa mula, ito man di ako. The blessing of the Lord be upon you. The blessing of the Lord.
Yung humabol na bata yata.
Be upon you. We are blessed in the name of the Lord. We just want to thank you. We just want to thank you. Thank you. We just want to thank
Galing.
you for being you. You are good to us all the time, all the time.
Kala ko simpleng kanta lang.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ang galing, galing.